All right, we're up at Bridge of Bull. It's November 19th, and the ski area is not open yet for the season, so that means there's backcountry conditions up here. Normally during the season, if you ski up here when they're operating, ski patrol is up here every day that it snows or the wind blows, and they're triggering avalanches. So it's snowing right now. It's been snowing, and the snow's stacking up. And without patrol here doing mitigation, that means you can trigger avalanches. People have already triggered avalanches around the ski area here. And if you are up here, you have to be really careful if you're getting into or underneath steep slopes. Make sure you're carrying avalanche rescue gear and carefully assessing the snowpack for instabilities. Season's starting off good with a few decent storms, so stay tuned to mtavalanche.com for up-to-date conditions.